things do not mean, but we mean by things. The more you look, the less you see. So philosophers are worried about that because they want to understand reality completely. And after grappling with the issue of logical and factual consistency, I give an example. You know this person we call Ben Johnson. O nwere oge ka m kwuo ka ndị mmadụ ghọta ya ọfụma. O nwere onye a na-akpọ Achilles, ọ na-agbata ọsọ nnukwu ka Ben Johnson, mana o nwezi ife melenu. Ofu nwoke a na-akpọ Zeno wee sị na ọ bụrụ na Achilles a kwere ka mbe kwere ka mbe nọdụ n'iru ya onye tia nwe obele ọtọ ega abịata ese mwakasị akụkụ tọọ enwebele gap na Achilles afọ ihe ọmụtụ anya gbaa ọ gaghị agafe mba afọ eche na-asị wee sị na tupu ọ gafee mba afọ si wele na mba afọ nọ na point B ya nọ na point A, na tupu ọ gafee mba afọ na ọ ga-agba n'ọkala AB. Ọ bụrụ eziokwu, ọ gara agafe ọkala AB. Ọzọma tupu ọ gafee ọkala AB, ọ ga-agafezi ọkala AB. Na osi etu afọ na-aga efu na ọ gaghị agafe nwuzi mba afọ. That is logical consistency. Logical. It is stainless. It is 100% accurate. But to believe that will be madness in reality. So it worried me a lot. It worried me a lot. That was why I articulated the philosophy from 3 major points of view. For instance, the issue of rationalism, empiricism, sense of consistency is what I wrote in my master's degree project. But as I wanted to specialize in philosophy, I narrowed to what I feel will summarize and articulate philosophy in terms of what I call phenomenology, which is a trilogy of a triad of terms: phenomenology, hermeneutics, and analysis. You see, there are philosophers who believe that if you say hermeneutics, already there's analysis. So if they're here, I want to tell them that their analysis in hermeneutics is different from the analysis in the sciences. They're not the same. One is quantitative, that is the scientific one. The other is qualitative. So we wanted a methodology and also a science that will help us to clear the paradox we have in what they call the understanding of being. Understanding is. I will leave that for another day, but I want to move to how that methodology and science helped me to go through the kola nut metaphysics. How it helped me to go through the kola nut metaphysics, because I have said that even in the kola nut, you have seen the same problem. You are looking at something that you can see, but beyond that thing, you have so many meanings. That's why in French they say, le symbole donne à penser. The symbol provides food for thought. The symbol points beyond itself to another meaning. I will still come to what I call symbolismic philosophy, which has led me to so many things. It has led me to mathematics, to physics, to medicine, to everything completely. But before I go into that, I want you to go straight away to page 21. Let me say something about the Odyssey of philosophy and my philosophical odyssey. As one of the foremost foundation staff of the Department of Philosophy, UNIZIK, I have, more than any other member of the staff at the present, I don't know about the future, shaped the affairs of that department, surviving headship appointments of over 4 successive vice chancellors. Prof. Ejiofor, he's here in flesh and blood, Ilochi, Eboka, and Eku, making my tenure of headship of the Department of Philosophy a total of 11 years. I have made our Department of Philosophy do what philosophy and philosophers do, which, to be sure, is giving meaning to reality with rational, critical, hermeneutical of expressions. To sum up, I led and still lead the philosophers to do what philosophy does. I just need to quote what my friend and colleague. I have a friend and colleague in the department, Professor Harris Umeogu. We have been together for a very long time. We are what a politician called running mates. But in a conical way. Prof. Umeogu wrote something that I want to read. Philosophers do not talk anyhow. He said, Prof. Bona is an asset to the Department of Philosophy. As a lecturer and scholar, he has distinguished himself in commitment to his lectures, in scholarly productivity, and in development of theories in logic, metaphysics, African philosophy, and other areas of philosophy. The Ogirisibo annual lecture, and yes, both of us studied the Ogirisibo lecture in UNIZIK. It was somewhere along the line that I had that inspiration of a reason of the Ogirisi journal. And that journal has gone international now. So when Ikenga was reading my citation, he made it clear that I am the foundation editor of that journal. The Ogirisi Journal, the new journal of arts, a new journal of African studies. So the Ogirisi annual lecture and the Ogirisi, a new journal of African studies he inaugurated, have attracted eminent scholars to the university, where his TV philosophy programs popularized philosophy in the state and beyond. Harry spoke the truth. My TV and radio programs popularized philosophy in the state and beyond, attracting numerous applications for admissions at all levels of study.